With this tutorial, you will learn how to design a wedding ring entirely and even render it, everything using 2Shapes for Rhino. Following this guide steps, you will create a matching set of 2 wedding rings, a man's and a women's classic band. Under the Shanks tab, we will use the classic shank command for this tutorial, so click on the classic icon. Click on the pencil button. Click on the bottom right corner of the viewport and select the shaded display mode. This will facilitate the visualization of the model. Let's change the profile this ring. Click on the profile preview, and in the asset selector dialog, select the 002. We will also edit some parameters like the width to 2.5 mm and height to 1.5 mm parameters. After making these modifications, it's an excellent time to apply the changes. In Outliner, find your classic item and click on the eye icon to hide. Click on the classic icon. We will edit by clicking on the pencil button. Let's change the profile this ring. Click on the profile preview, and in the asset selector dialog, select the 051. We will also edit parameters like the width to 4.4 mm and height to 2.5 mm. Our objective is to keep it symmetric, so we will only change the top section parameters. Click on the Accept button in the top right corner. Remember to check if Gumball the option is active in the status bar. Select the men's ring by clicking on it or in the outliner, and with the gumball, rotate it 90 degrees. In the outliner, click on the eye icon of the women's ring element to make it visible again. Next, select the women's ring, move 15 mm to the green arrow and 1.6 mm to the blue arrow. Next, rotate it with the gumball 72 degrees. Remember that you can set the value if you double-click on the gumball. To see the Render and Animation tab, go to Settings and activate it. Under the File tab, click Render and Animation to open Render and Animation. Then, inside the Render and Animation toolbar, under the Material section and in the Metal category, click on the white gold 18K material. Under the Ground category, click on Basic Ground Reflection. Set the perspective angle and distance you want your render to be. Then move your cursor over the lower right corner of the viewport and click on the ray tracing icon. Finally, set your preferred resolution and quality parameters and click on the render button. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can find more information at 2shapes.com.